Look at the three different ways that you can open this safe from Amazon, from Wyze, and let's take a look at some of the common questions that you might have about this. Does it open quickly? Is it secure? Does it connect to your phone seamlessly, or is it a hard pairing process where it's going to be difficult to get it to connect to your phone? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's go ahead and start with the code over on the side. I'm going to cover it up, but you can simply type in your code and then it will open after a short delay. Now, that one is a little bit slower than the fingerprint. The fingerprint, stick your finger on there, it's going to open way faster. The third way is over here on the far left. You have a slot to insert your key. We've got our keys here. It does come with two keys. Simply insert your key, twist, and it will open. You can access the batteries from inside of here. So it does have a little light down here as well, which I love. Pairing button is right here in the middle. And then to actually access the batteries, you can press the button down there in the bottom left and it will pop the battery pack out of here. It does come with 4 AA batteries to install in this battery pack, which is really nice. It has this foam down in here as well. Foam padding was already in there. And guys, I would highly recommend this. It does have quite a bit of storage space in there. If I put the quick start guide in here, you can kind of see for size sake how much room we have. So overall, we absolutely love it. We're enjoying it, and we look forward to using it in our family. And I would say it is a very strong, very heavy safe overall. Definitely not going anywhere. You can see the thickness on the actual safe. And so another thing is connecting it to your phone. It does connect very easily. Took maybe 60 seconds. You will need the app for Wyze, but we have cameras. We have other things that we use in the Wyze product family. So we already have products synced up on that app. So all we had to do was actually just search for this specific safe and then add it to our app. And then we were able to add in our fingerprints. We were able to add in the codes. And if we ever forget these things, then we can recover our safe by going into our phone and answering a few questions and making sure that we can get access. Again, if we ever lose access, we absolutely love it. Grab it for yourself and your family today, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.